兄弟姐妹们，人生有三苦，虽然100万了，还是得叫苦。
好，好。Don't need it, pilot calling.
Go ahead.
Don't need it, please prepare your gangway on port side. Port side, 2 meter above water. We use the top boot.
Okay.
Okay, and pilot boarding time 0730. Boarding speed about 4 to 5 knots.
Okay, pilot boarding time 0730. Boarding speed 4 to 5 knots.
上船前一般都要和船长交代时间和梯子的配置。此时我们的引航艇载着别的引航员去登陆。今天引领的是180米的小游轮头目百合，虽然船不大，但却不好坐，因为空船很容易飘。高度刚刚好，上船一气呵成，感觉自己棒棒的。
Good morning. Starboard side on side. Good morning.
Welcome aboard.
Yes, thank you.
We are let's start ahead
Yes, sir.
in 350.
350. Okay.
I call my crew for standby.
What?
Crew for standby.
Yeah, stay man. The top is coming.
天啊，我的镜头又容不下船长，好歹我也是2米不到的身高。
前头交管23号饮水。交管你好，饮水上托姆百合，准备靠好冲化账号，我会向你报告。好，谢谢。Yes. Okay.
It's CPP.
CPP. Okay.
Behave like right-handed. We need to start when we are going astern.
Okay.
We have about just give it 5-10 minutes notice for that.
Okay. Yeah, we may start side 很少。Two times, yes. Original regiment is 32-2. First line spring line, all by heaving line. Yeah, and stand by your port anchor for emergency.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. 3-2 spring line first line.
Yes.
All by the heaving line.
Yes.
Port anchor for emergency.
Yeah.
My pole is 53 tons for
52.
53 months for the tactical.
The borrow power or cargo is 63.
Okay. So it could be. Yeah.
这边的意思就是拖轮的最大拖力会大过缆桩的安全负荷。
513，你带左船头哈。
好的，513左船头。
Okay, slow ahead, please.
Okay.
阿宇就带好。
好的，511，你还是6点钟哈。
我要6点钟。
密信。好的。OK。Steady。Kevin, the first jetty is ours, so we will passing between these two landway, swim to port, and then just make stops on side. But your ship is in night, ballast. So, but the tower is very powerful, so we slowly.
Okay,
Very
slowly.
Yeah.
Just give me 10 minutes.
10 minutes notice. Okay. Oh, you can repair. You can prepare.
But it's effective only before 5 knots.
Oh, 4 to 5. Okay.
Effective with less than 4 knots speed.
Okay. Understand. 511前速。
511前速。大2码多少？
好了，等它 U 前靠，然后带3两两，它是尼龙啊。
好的，到了1根根的啊。
好的。倒缆一根送了，那横缆跟头缆可以2根吗？
等一下看一下现场吧。
好的。Port 20。OK。Out to port。
好。
OK。513坐定了，准备。
513坐定了，准备。
511停了，靠近来做停了准备。511到位了吗
511到位。
？511慢车顶。
慢车顶。
没事。OK， 511中速顶。
有粉丝在评论里问我，为什么船舶要强制引航？难道船长自己开不进来吗？那我倒要问你，船舶引航管理规定里是不是明确规定，外籍船舶需要强制引航？你这船要是没引航员引领，还想顺顺当当靠离港口？
回答我，说话。
你以为自己能行？港口航道复杂多变如迷宫，暗礁、浅滩、暗藏危机，你不依靠引航员的专业经验，怎么安全进出港？
回答我。你回答我。Look at my eyes。
你是不是要让船舶搁浅出礁，导致航道堵塞、货物受损？以后还怎么做生意
Tell me why? Why, baby? Why?
闹力公司的外贸船每次都请引航员上船，这么多年从未出过事故，运输效率还节节攀升。你呢？船舶延误，客户投诉，信誉扫地，你这是要把生意往绝路上逼？
回答我。
511、513都做个短缆推出去，缆绳先松弛，然后随时可拉的状态哈。
空船就是这样，拖轮退出去稍微受力，本船可能就靠不进去了。
缆绳都不用太长了哈。好的，513缆绳先不要受力，不然它等下又进去了。Stay slow, stay.
That's what I thought.
利用剩余的靠拢惯性，让本船慢慢滑到码头。岸上输油壁也很高，所以靠拢速度一定要慢。
511带力拉，513也带力拉。513微速拉，511停拉，513慢车拉。 513微速拉，513停拉，511带力拉，Stop engine.
Stop engine. Good job.
Oh,
Very nice.
Thank you.
Let's go.
Welcome from
Croatia. Croatia.
Russia.
Croatia.
Croatia.
Yeah. Let's go.
Oh, let me see.
Very little, only 3 million people.
Only 3 million.
Yes.
我这还是第一次遇到克罗地亚的船长，一直反应不过来。
Croatia, this one.
Croatia.
Yeah.
Oh.
This name should be here. Ex-Yugoslavia. This is Croatia. Split, Zagreb.
Oh,
Before I was doing 6 months.
6 months.
I
That's
was
it.
junior. Chief mate, 3-3.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah.
All crew like this?
No.
Senior officer.
Senior officer. Junior, 3.5 months. 4 months. 3.5 to 4.
Junior 3 or 4 months?
Yes. Closer to 4.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah. And crew 6.
Crew 6. 前头教官23年岁。教官你好，托木百合现在靠好中华3号驳一声，你快乐。好，谢谢。All right, French Captain, I go down first.
Okay, I go with you.
Oh,
I go with you. You want one more?
no, one, no. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, thank you.